Hey moms, ready to create the most magical Mother's Day with your little princess? This Mother's Day, Rajkumari is bringing something truly special for you. We are hosting a beautiful mom and daughter ramp walk at our store, a moment where you and your little one can shine together. Walk the ramp, create unforgettable memories, and celebrate your bond in the magical way. There will be fun activities, joyful moments, and exciting surprises gifts waiting for you. And the best part, it is absolutely free to join. No registration fees at all. If you are in Noida or Delhi NCR, this is something you definitely don't want to miss. Join us at Rajkumari Store, Sector 49 near Zudio, Noida. Call or WhatsApp us now to book your slot. Slots are limited, so hurry up. Let's celebrate Mother's Day in the most beautiful way, together with love, style, and a little bit of magic.